So today I have come to Industry City. So here you go guys, cooking Japanese food. They've got some nice Sahadis swag as well. Hello guys, welcome to another video from the Brooklyn borough of New York City. So today I have come to Industry City. So Industry City was actually kind of built like this by the guys who own Chelsea Market. So Chelsea Market got sold to Google, and the founders of Chelsea Market took that money, invested over here, and made a beautiful, beautiful place over here. So this is Industry City in Brooklyn. I'm going to put ways to come over here. There's a lot of things to explore. So let's go. Let's start this video, and we'll have a fantastic video, and we'll explore together. So we are in the Japan Village. So basically all of these restaurants were actually on 9th Street, in Manhattan, but they moved over here a couple of years back because the rents were so expensive in Manhattan after COVID, they just moved over here. So this is really, really fantastic. So let's go and let's check it out and let's see what we can eat and what we can show you. Wow, look at this. There's so many cool Japanese restaurants over here. Super cool Japanese bakery and cafe. I'm gonna have some coffee over here. So guys, at Cafe Japan, got a cappuccino and a couple of little Japanese dessert, and I'll show you what we're having. So don't go away, more to come. This place is just amazing. This is like a heaven for Japanese food lovers. There's so many different stores, so many different exciting and exotic stuff they're selling over here. And there's also a Japanese grocery stores behind me, which I'm gonna go and check it out after this. But this is just amazing. So guys, got the mango pudding and a tiramisu with the green tea. This is such a beautiful looking dessert. Time to taste this mango pudding. It looks so gorgeous. Very creamy and nice. It's has got the kind of that white thing on top, kind of the cream. It's kind of a jelly, not a cream, kind of a jelly. And inside is that mango, very creamy kind of dessert. It's excellent. Now it's time to taste the tiramisu with the green tea. Wow, look at this. It has got that kind of that green tea, kind of a gelatinous stuff on top. And then you have the cream, and then on the base is kind of the baked pastry stuff. Let's taste it. Wow. Guys, this is phenomenal. You get the taste of tea, and you can feel the gelatinous stuff on top, and the creamy texture is just really, really fantastic. I'll put a link below. Definitely come and visit Cafe Japan if you're in Industry City in Brooklyn. Now it's time to have some cappuccino to warm myself up because it's very cold outside. It's about 26 degrees. Probably one of the coldest days in New York City. And coming to Industry City is very easy. Either you can take an Uber. It's about $40–45 from Manhattan. It's about a half an hour ride, or you can just take the train. The train is very convenient. The D train just comes over here, right over here. It takes about 40–45 minutes as well from the city. So not hard to come over here at all. It's definitely worth coming because there's a lot of cool places, a lot of cool bars, a lot of cool restaurants. It's amazing. Wow, look at this cool Japanese bar. They've got sake and possibly Japanese beers as well. This is amazing. So guys, got the chicken yakisoba. Looks amazing. So chicken yakisoba is basically fried noodles with chicken. You saw how they were making. I took a shot of that very, very street Tokyo food. It's piping hot, which is good. So here you go, guys. So this smoke is coming out. Excellent. The chicken is not spicy at all. It kind of almost it feels like a grilled chicken, but then you saw they kind of stir it a little bit. And they have got this pickles over here too. This ginger pickle that has been marinated in vinegar is amazing. It's amazing. So got some tempura. So it's shishito peppers, eggplant, and I think it's onions. Yes, onions. So we're gonna try this out. Very, very street food from Tokyo, as you can see. So this is amazing. So let's try it out and let's see how it is. All right, guys, moment of truth. Let's try it out. There's some soy sauce over here too. So you're gonna dip it in. This is the shishito pepper skewers. It's basically batter and fried, deep fried. It's fried food, guys. But that's what, Japanese street food does quite a bit, is fried food. So dipped it in the soy sauce. It's pretty nice. It's kind of very light, actually. Now I'm going to try the onion ones. Same style. This batter, fried. Very nice. Definitely very nice. So guys, after that beautiful Japanese lunch, I want to just go and show you how the grocery store looks like. They have got a nice Japanese grocery store over here. So we'll go over there. So please keep on watching because more stuff to discover over here. So guys, this is the Japanese grocery store. They've got, they have got some nice Japanese products that you can come and buy. Wow, of course, you can see. Just kind of the Japanese desserts packaged. You can get them in Tokyo, any of the grocery stores. So all Japanese products packaged. You can get them in any grocery stores in Tokyo, but this is New York City. All kinds of Japanese drinks on the shelf. I think these are all Japanese candies. Wow, so cool. Yeah, these are all Japanese candies over here. Japanese snacks, guys. My favorite, the wasabi roasted green peas. Japanese snacks. This is a heaven for people who like Japanese food and want to get all this stuff and take home. Wow, look at this. This is the Japanese rice. This is so tasty. So if you like cooking Japanese food, this is the Japanese rice you want to get. Definitely, this is awesome. And I think you can make sushi out of this rice as well. Japanese premium beef, the Kobe beef over here as well. It's kind of made to order. More Japanese places. Wow. They have got this vending machines, as you will get in Japan. This place looks amazing. Wow, you feel like you're in Kyoto. This truly is the Japanese village. Wow, little cute store over here. All kinds of little Japanese knickknacks. A little Japanese ice cream and dessert place. So guys, going to Sahadis. It's one of the most premium Middle Eastern grocery store. Their original one is on Atlantic Avenue in Brooklyn, but they have one over here. But this is a much bigger one. This, of course, is very new. So let's go and check it out. Amazing nuts over here, dried fruits and nuts. Amazing selection. Fantastic gourmet cheese from all over the world. They're also famous for their gourmet coffee. They have coffee from all over the world here. There were olive oils, the best olive oil from all over the world here, like from the Mediterranean. You can come over here and actually get some of this food over here packed, and they have got a place over here right inside where you can just sit and have your lunch, dinner, snacks, but they have got some amazing food, Middle Eastern food that you can have. So that's the area you can sit, have a drink in fact, and eat your food. Just love this setup right in Sahadis. So they're making fresh dessert right over there. Look at the selection of amazing olives. They've got some nice Sahadi swag as well. Some amazing pasta over here as well. And the pasta sauce. They're making some fresh nambajan. This is where they make their kind of bread. I got in this bar. They have a really cool bar at Sahadis. I'm gonna get a glass of wine. Yep. Cheers, guys. Got this nice Sauvignon Blanc. It's really, really nice. It's a cold day, but a Sauvignon Blanc after the Japanese lunch and just going around in Sahadis, it's really nice. This is a nice way to just spend your afternoon.
Can we get a I don't believe we have.
So I definitely recommend coming to Sahadis, and I'm going to put a link below of this entire place, all the cool stuff that you can. Oh, thank you so much. Yeah, sure, thanks. So here you go. Got some little nuts also. Nice. Thank you. Wasabi, right? And oh, this is so good. Service is excellent. People are so friendly over here. Awesome. And this is a very, very good Sauvignon Blanc, by the way. So guys, I'm gonna go and get a nice cocktail over here. They really make good cocktails. So it's called Beirut Sunset?
Beirut Sunset. Yeah.
Beirut Sunset. So I'm going to show you how they make it, and then I'm going to taste it and tell you all about it. So what's your name?
Prince.
So Prince is going to make this beautiful cocktail called Beirut Sunset. Just like the city, Beirut from Lebanon. Wow, look at that drink.
$7.
So what's in this drink?
It's vodka with orange juice, mango juice, and grenadine.
Awesome.
Yes, sir.
So there you go. This is how it looks.
Enjoy.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
This is a beautiful, beautiful looking drink. Thank you.
Thank you.
Sure. So cheers, guys. This is the Beirut Sunset. It's a beautiful looking drink. It's amazing. It's not too sweet or anything. It's fresh, it's kind of fruity, and it's really, really refreshing. It's an amazing drink. Thank you so much. Excellent. Cheers, guys. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video today. I enjoyed absolutely sharing this video, this experience with you. So good night from New York City, good night from Brooklyn, and good night from Industry City. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you love my video, please do hit the subscribe button and follow my channel. And please do not forget to hit the bell icon, because more videos are coming, and I don't want you guys to miss any of these experiences that we are having together and the fun that we are having together. Thank you guys, and appreciate your help. Well wishes all the time. Thanks.